Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in our news today, well, we have Google that has announced that its assistant will be changing. So if, of course, you have any Android devices, or if you have used Google services, products, maybe you have a Google Assistant at home, this is what was the main assistant for the last years. And this is where, if you used it, you were asking or, dealing with a Google Assistant. Now, Google says that it will be slowly retiring the Google Assistant. And of course, the replacement will be Gemini, the new AI assistant. And that will be updated on devices that are capable of it. You can, of course, download it from the Google Play Store already if you wish. But Google did say that they will update all devices. They will also update as many devices they can that have the Google Assistant, like smart TVs, for example, that would have the Google Assistant, will eventually be with Gemini as the assistant. For devices like if you've purchased, for example, a Google Assistant and have it at home, it will be continuing on the Google Assistant for a while before Gemini kicks in. It's unclear if devices will be moved to Gemini Assistant, AI Assistant, and or at least which devices could be converted to the Assistant. So that will be something to look for. But I would guess that there's a lot of the devices that could be converted. But anyways, it's in a move of course, everything going AI, and AI. And Google is pushing all of its services and devices towards a Gemini future. So this is going to be interesting to see how it goes. And Gemini is more powerful than the Google Assistant. That is true, as it uses AI algorithms to do the same job. So it does improve some of the search, some of the features and things that it could do, but and it, of course, will probably improve over time. But we'll see what happens next. But Gemini is now going to be the future of anything assistant for Google products and services. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.